I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's a 14 by 14 inch canvas. That's some Mead & Black paint that's on my Amazon link. The Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is under the video. That Mead & Black paint, this Mead & Black paint is the blackest black I know of that will cover in one coat. So I tend to be a big fan. I recommend it. If you guys ever have any questions for me, feel free to ask. I have a sort of an idea of what I want to do. It's a little irreverent. It's based on something that happened with some bloom paint, but I'm not planning on using bloom paint, so we'll see how it goes. But at least we have a nice wet layer of Mead, and it's not very thick. And if it was thick, it would help me with my plan because it would flow paint. But I don't know how this is going to go. So I'm going to just use my Chantilly lace because I love Chantilly lace. Give myself a fairly substantial amount of it. I have some black Amsterdam paint. I'll use something to stir it with. That'll work. That's Aussie Floetrol. It's about 50-50. It used to be 3/4 Aussie Floetrol and 1/4 the other. The Amsterdam paint. So I am going to do something that I have never done before, but there's a lot of things in bloom territory that I've never done before. I'm going to give myself the white Amsterdam in Aussie Floetrol, the black Amsterdam, also in Aussie Floetrol, my Passion, which is a Primary Elements, I hope I can keep it all on my paddle. And if I can't, it'll at least leak on the painting. And some Orange Crush, which is a Prizm Pour. We shall see, we shall see. What we shall see. Pull that down, wipe that off. I might want to start from the other end and do it again. I could. Let's see if that'll move any. I've got some bubbles I'm going to have to pop with a skewer. It's moving. That's good. If I can catch it while the paint is still wet, I could add more colors to the other end, but the Chantilly lace is pretty awesome. It looks like a field of diamonds to me. We definitely have some beautiful colors. I think this might just be the simplest painting, the fastest, simplest painting I've ever done with a bloom technique. I want to pull that over a little bit, but otherwise, what else do I want to do? Not much. I've got a little tiny acetate tool that I'm really tempted to put some cell activator in. But I have no real objection to the way the mark came out from me using my palette knife, which is a Colour Arte product, as are the Primary Elements and the Prizm Pours, and there is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video should you be interested in acquiring anything. That would help me out. I'm an affiliate. I kind of want to tip a little bit more, but I see those big bubbles and I kind of want to fix them too. If I can get it to go down, the question is, can I get it to go back again? And how far do I really want it to go? I kind of like it just the way it is. If I had some more, I'd probably put some more dots. You know what? I could put a couple more dots anyway. I almost wish I'd used some gold in there, but I could put it in after as an afterthought. I like the dots. I think I'm going to put a little bit of passion right in there. Maybe I'll do that with the orange as well. I've got to pop those bubbles, and I really want to show you guys up close how pretty that is. Bubble one, bubble, bubble, toil and trouble. They're not popping easily either, but I do like what I have. Steal a little bit of paint. And I found another bubble or something. Okay, let's shimmer. Super short and all kinds of fun. Wow! Oh, that's cool. Now that I've done with it, I think I could probably allow myself some blue velvet or something, but I also really like it the way it is. I say that, but you watch me as I add a few more dots. Look at that Chantilly lace. That is the bomb. Let's zoom in. It's a big pollywog. I'm gonna have to try and shimmer that at you. I hope you can see that that Chantilly lace is just insanely shimmering. Super simple design. Sometimes that's the way it is. Don't forget your flashlight will help you find those bubbles. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like what I share with you. And remember, I have an Amazon link, and if you shop there, it'll be so appreciated because it doesn't seem to be doing much lately. Seems to be helping everybody else but me. So if you have shopping, I'd love it. Yeah, I like the little tiny end of the skewer to put some more dots. Doesn't look like they're taking too well. That's just basically because the background is still so wet. But I could come back tomorrow and do a few things, like add some gold dots if I wanted to. In any case, looks like a really big weird fish. And I can't shimmer that at you well enough, but I wish I could. All right, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Check for my 2 books on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And if you leave me a comment, I'll get back to you. If you have a question, I'll be happy to help you. Thank you for your kind donations that help keep me painting. You're entitled to a 15-minute consultation with me on the phone for up to 30 days after you make a donation. And I want to thank everybody who's still doing that. You could, on my link tree, you can see Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, and Society 6 and La Gallerist clothing. And if you can't find what you're looking for from my paintings, wow, those cells are intense. That is gorgeous. Let me try it. See if I can switch it your way. Looks like some really, really big exotic bottom feeding fish. So whatever I forgot to tell you, I'll tell you another time, other than my paint pouring recipes below the video. And I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. I have 2,500 videos, and you can find them by going to playlists, all playlists, created playlists on my channel, or asking me for a link. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'm sure I forgot something. Never mind. Next time.